week, guys, we were buying this. So what happened on Monday? We consolidated on Tuesday. We broke below that area, and guys, we've had a bearish move since then. So the question, guys, remains: what are we going to do next? Obviously, guys, we have a M pattern or deformed double top, whatever you would like to call it, guys. Something like this. And I believe we have broken out to the wedge area. So I think we could be seeing. Sorry about that. 1.33531 soon. So anyways, guys, how do we calculate that? I would first like to check out the weekly chart. Uh, the last week of January, guys, we got a big rejection here. So I think that is staring for a bearish momentum building up. But guys, remember, on the weekly chart, we still need to break below 1.33480 to actually start becoming bearish to make a low on the weekly time frame, which we have not yet. We made one, but we came back up again. We made a higher high, so it indicates a consolidation range. But we will ignore this for now. Drop down to the daily chart. On the daily chart, guys, we can see something. We are seeing that this support area is becoming resistance here. But for that, guys, we will drop down to the 4H. The 4H confirms my theory, guys. So what we're going to do, guys, as long as we stay below 1.35226, guys, we are bearish. And guys, as long as we are bearish, guys, we will be going for 1.34021, and after that, guys, we will be going for 1.33432. Okay, guys. So I will be also mentioning the other scenario. Just wait a moment with me. And guys, if the price breaks above 1.35226, we would still remain bearish, but we would just go in for a correction, and my target would be 1.36137, and I would like to take away my profit here. But if we do have a move up, I would not go above 1.36601. Why, guys? Because as long as we're below this, we are still in a bearish trend. But if we break above this, only then we become bullish. So guys, we never know what will happen. So there is that. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.